From an EP I wrote. We'll see if this works now. It's a little Nashville high strung, this guitar. It's plugged into the other DI. Ooh! But yeah, I sort of wrote this before I fell out with a relationship, and it was a bit of a premonition. I've got this obsession about songs writing fate, and I'll tell you a bit about that later, because it's not all great. But yeah, this is about deleting all those photos, you know, of their memories. You kind of go, select, 5 years, delete, like that. Here we go. Day by day, the look in your eyes written on your face. I swear I'm watching you fade away into another time and place. It's too late, too hard to make you love me again. Too many things that I cannot change, so my heart it starts to pixelate. There's no good goodbye, no red way to die. Photos only mine, so burn my hard drive, frame by frame. I'll remember you less every day. The memories, they all melt away, like atoms trying to find their place. There's no good goodbye, no right way to die. Photos only remind, so burn my hard drive. So I fall away from you. It's proof it only takes so long till there's nothing left to do but erase moments one by one. If I had to choose, there'd be nothing to remind myself of you.